Hi there, today I will show you how can you repair your Windows system files very easily. Just right click on the start menu in Windows 10 and Windows 11. The process is same. Here I am going to Windows PowerShell admin. For Windows 11 it will be terminal admin. Just click this, click yes. SFC space dash scan now. It will check any Windows system file error. Press enter. If there is any corruption in the system file, they will find out and try to repair. We need to wait some time for the full report. SFC means system file checker. You can use the same command in the Windows command prompt also, but uh, there will be the syntax is a bit different. In PowerShell, I typed SFC space dash scan now. In CMD, it will be SFC slash scan now. It is checking, verifying, and trying to find any error. And if it finds any error, it will attempt to repair it. It is very cool tool to fix Windows errors easily. Note that here Windows Resources Protection found some corrupt files. There was a problem in my Windows and they successfully repaired. I can press up arrow and try to again to see that whether it is fully repaired or not. Hope there will be no error this time as I have just fixed it. Hope it won't take much time. I am rechecking because I want to be sure that there is no more error. If you frequently find similar error, then you need to either reset or reinstall your Windows. Hope it will able to fix all the errors. There won't be any more errors. Great. Windows Resource Protection didn't find any integrity violations, so there is no more error. I have successfully repaired all the errors. If you think this video is useful, don't forget to like and share. And of course, hope you subscribe my channel to get more videos like this. Bye bye.